Hey, good morning. It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. And in today's video, what we're going to talk about is there has been a major decision on some trials from people that had CPN numbers in place of their Social Security numbers, and they went out and got loans. They were all in trouble, going to jail. They got major money that they're going to have to pay back in fines. So you need to stay away from that. Stay away from people that try to get you these quick fix type things and tell you to go out there and get loans, and you don't think that this stuff's going to come back to get you. It will come back to get you, because when you sign on a financial statement, if anything goes wrong with that loan, the first thing that the lender is going to do is they're going to look at that statement that you filled out, that credit application that you filled out. That's a legal document, and anything on there that you put that could be considered, it could be looked at and be considered illegal, and they will have you put in jail, like this list of people right here. Also, I'm going to talk about credit sweeps. That's another scam that's out there. It's getting people to file false identity theft police reports, or some of the companies are just doing it for the person. They don't even know that this is being done. They just pay the money for the credit sweeps. They're filing false police reports. They might even have a cop that's filing the false police report. But regardless, the person gets in trouble and the company gets in trouble for doing it. So there's no escape. And even if you hire a company to do a credit sweep for you, and they do it and do all the paperwork, file false police reports, you are still going to be getting in trouble with them. And that's what happened with this company here. There's a list of defendants. They did not list the company name, or I missed it. The company name that was doing it. I just know that they were in California. They listed the people, the individuals, rather than the company that they were using as their company name. But basically what they did is they set up, had some people that had businesses that they knew, to be able to put false trade lines on these individuals' CPN numbers. And then they went out there and they got loans. One person here, this is a young lady, Miss Floyd, got loans for up to $86,000. Another one, Ragland, $42,000. Another one, Adams, $30,000. Alexander, $36,000. Howard, $51,000. Lindsay, $4,000. Fox, $41,000. Day, $25,000. Barry, $28,000. Thompson, $85,000. And Campbell, $15,000. So what they did is they used a CPN number in place of their Social Security number, because they had bad credit, and then they stacked on top of that and put trade lines on that CPN, and they used they used a real business, but they didn't really have any loans or anything with that business. Put that on the trade lines, and then they went out and got loans, credit cards, and all types of stuff. I'm going to put the link also below this video, so you can see the actual court documents, so you can see that this is 100% true. And I'm telling you, stay away from this type of stuff. And the same with the credit sweep. Stay away from that stuff, because it's nothing but quick fix. You're going to be walking around waiting for the hammer to drop on you, because those companies, when they get in trouble, all they do is that the law officials, the authorities, are going to look at their files, look at everyone that they did any transactions with, and they're going to also go after those people. They didn't just go after the individual that had this business and that was doing it. They went after the people that also were the customers of that business. So you gotta be careful and make sure that you're doing stuff the right way. So I'm going to put the link below this video so you can take a look at it, look at the complete court records and documents, and then you can, just be aware. Just be aware. So if you're ever seeking out, or you're thinking, hey, I'm tired of my bad credit and I want to try to do something quick, have a quick fix, let this be a reminder that there are no quick fixes, that it's hard work to get out of bad credit. You could either do it yourself or you can have a company do it, but make sure that you don't take the quick and easy route because it can come back to hurt you. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you.